Jai Swaminarayan. Dear students, after a few days, Chaturmas is going to begin. Chaturmas means 4 months of monsoon. In our Vedic scriptures, this Chaturmas is considered as an auspicious time for the devotion, penance, and spiritual practices. Sometimes people ask the question that what is the significance of Chaturmas and what is the origin of Chaturmas? Dear students, there is a famous katha behind the Chaturmas which is explained in Vishnu Purana. I will explain you briefly. When Lord Vishnu took the incarnation of Vamanji, Bhagwan Vamanji came to the yajna of Bali Maharaj and he asked for the 3 steps of land from Bali Maharaj. The moment Bali Maharaj promised to give 3 steps of land to Vamanji, all of a sudden Vamanji assumed the huge gigantic form and he measured the earth and sky with his 2 steps and nothing left in the universe for the 3rd step. Finally, Bali Maharaj dedicated himself, surrendered himself before Vamanji for the 3rd step. And Bhagwan Vamanji kept his pious feet on the head of Bali Maharaj. And due to that, Bali Maharaj went downwards in the Sutal Lok. Lord Vishnu, in the form of Vamanji, pleased a lot by the devotion and dedication of Bali Maharaj. Lord Vishnu asked Bali Maharaj to ask for the boon. Bali Maharaj said, "Oh God, please pardon me if my hard hairs trouble to your gentle pious feet. And please give me your divine darshan forever and just stay with me." Lord Vishnu said, "Tathastu, so be it." Since that time, Lord Vishnu started to stay in the Sutal Lok in front of Bali Maharaj. But afterwards we know that Lakshmi ji came to the Sutal Lok and tied the Raksha Sutra on the wrist of Bali Maharaj as a sister, and she requested Bali Maharaj to send Lord Vishnu back to the Vaikunth Lok. Bali Maharaj agreed, but he also took the promise that Lord Vishnu will stay at least 4 months with him. Afterwards, Brahmaji and Lord Shiva also followed this promise. So for the 4 months of monsoon, Lord Vishnu stays in Sutal Lok and gives darshan to Bali Maharaj. And for next 4 months of winter, Lord Shiva, and next 4 months of summer, Brahmaji stays in Sutal Lok. So during this Chaturmas, God stays with his devotees and gives darshan to his devotees. God is completely free to accept the devotion and services of the devotees. So my dear students, during this Chaturmas, whatever devotion and penance we do to please God, God pleases on us and showers his divine bliss and blessing on us. And whatever devotion penance we do during this Chaturmas, it gives more punya than it is performed in other months. Also, Bhagwan Swaminarayan, as a Nilkanthvarni, he performed the hard penance in Pulhashram during these 4 months of Chaturmas. Bhagwan Swaminarayan has given us command in Sikshapatri that Vishesha Niyamo Dharyas Chaturmasya Khilairapi. My devotees should take extra spiritual vow during these 4 months of Chaturmas. As a devotee of Bhagwan Swaminarayan, we must take some special niyams, vows during this Chaturmas to please Bhagwan Swaminarayan. Now the question is that what kind of niyams, vows we can take and follow during this Chaturmas. So my dear students, you can take 3 kinds of niyams during this Chaturmas: devotion related niyams, penance related niyams, and moral values related niyams. Now what comes under the devotion related niyams? They could be like, I will perform morning puja, I will perform evening prayer, I will do 3 times Mansi puja, before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner. I will offer thal to God. Whatever is cooked in our kitchen, you can prepare a thal and you can offer to God. I will do online mantra lekhan. You can log in our mantralekhan.com and you can do online mantra lekhan. I will read scriptures like Sikshapatri, Vachanamrutam, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I will say Jai Swaminarayan before drinking and eating. I will chant 11 times Swaminarayan Mahamantra before I use mobile. This is also very good niyam you can take during this Chaturmas. Before you unlock your mobile any times in a day, you have to chant first 11 times Swaminarayan Mahamantra. Then you can use the mobile. So that also indirectly will help you not to get distracted while using the media. If you follow such kind of devotion related niyams, it will help you to connect with God and it will purify your emotions and thoughts. Now the second category is penance related niyams. They could be like, I will observe fast on the day of Ekadashi, or I will have only falahar, but I will never eat grains on the day of Ekadashi. I will eat twice in a day or thrice in a day. I will avoid the frequent eating, grazing. I will get up early morning at 5 a.m. Likewise, you can take the penance related niyams, and it also has so many scientific advantages related to mental and physical fitness. And in ancient time, our great sages were so intelligent, visionary and knowledgeable. Do you know why? Because they used to perform the penance. Now third category is moral values related niyams. They could be like, I will do pranam to my parents every day. I will help my mother in household work. I will study for 4 hours, 6 hours. You can fix the hours for the study. I will read the autobiography of the great people. I will learn and master a new skill during these 4 months of Chaturmas. I will not waste the time over social media and TV. Likewise, you can take the moral vows during this Chaturmas. If you follow such kind of moral vows, it will improve your moral power. It will improve your confidence and it will also increase your academic results. And above all, if you follow such kind of niyams, you will get the blessings of God, saints and your parents. So my dear students, you can take any 2 or 3 niyams before the Murti of God and in the presence of saints or your parents. You can also download the Chaturmas Niyams PDF from the description below so that it will help you to choose the right niyams for the Chaturmas. And remember, how many niyams you take is not important, but how honestly and regularly you are following the niyams till the end of Chaturmas is most important. So my dear students, let's perform devotion and penance during this Chaturmas and please Bhagwan Swaminarayan, saints and parents. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.